Have you ever seen an Okapi, the shy rainforest detective, tiptoeing through the leaves and listening for its velvety hoofbeats? This lively episode invites kids to hear the Okapi munching leaves while the narrator spells its name aloud, O-K-A-P-I, slowly and clearly. Its zebra-like stripes break up its outline in dappled light, teaching a quick lesson about camouflage and clever animal tricks. Listeners will imitate its soft snuffles and perked ears, turning every animal sound into a playful spelling game. By the end, kids chant Okapi together, learning that sounds and letters help remember amazing creatures.